I've been using the Kast card for a while now, and honestly, it's changed how I handle my crypto. Most cards I've tried in the past were slow or got declined at basic shops, but Kast has been flawless, from grabbing coffee to booking hotels. What I love most is how fast the setup is. I had my virtual card in Apple Pay and was spending my USDC within minutes of finishing my verification.
Let's talk money, or rather, how much of it you keep. One of the biggest wins for me with Kast is the fee transparency. I was tired of losing 3% every time I swiped a crypto card. With Kast, the conversion to USD is near zero. While there are some small costs for physical metal cards or ATM withdrawals after you hit your limit, the cashback rewards usually more than cover those minor expenses.
I travel quite a bit, so I needed a card that wouldn't lock me out the moment I crossed a border. Kast is available in over 160 countries. I've seen it work perfectly, everywhere from Brazil to Dubai. It's important to note that due to local regulations, it's currently not available in places like India or China, but for most of the world, it's a go-to solution for borderless spending.
If you're looking to get started, don't sign up without a code. I used the referral code 6MHGEMGE, which is a huge head start. Just by finishing my KYC and spending my first $100, I racked up $75 worth of points. Plus, with the current Move token promotion, I'm getting extra cash back on every single swipe, which basically feels like I'm getting paid to spend my own money.